So today is a day 6. So day 6 of our network automation with Python. Manually typing devices detail again and again is slow, frustrating, and honestly not scalable. Correct? So but what if I told you you can store all network devices detail in a simple CSV file and automate everything in just one click? Yes, no more manual work. Welcome back to Explore IT Issues Solution for All. In today's video, I am going to show you how to automate multiple network devices like this using a CSV file with Python step by step and beginner friendly. Let's get started. So before going to start, first we need to create a one CSV file and add these router information on the same file, correct? Like host name, IP address, password and all that. So I'm just going to the desktop and click one Excel file here like this and add the name of the devices. File name is devices dot CSV because we need to use CSV format like this. Okay, so once we have added this file in desktop, I'm just clicking and open this file and add the devices information like host, username, password and secret. Secret means enable password, all that. So my first device host is the IP address of this host 192.168.244.200 and 192 sorry added here 192.168.244.201 like this. I have added Control X and paste here. So we have a 3 devices, 4 devices, this 200, 201, 202, 203. So all 4 devices we need to require a detail in the text file via using Python script. Okay, so first we have added username is Amit, password is Cisco at 1234, Cisco at 1234, Cisco at 1234. So same password we are using here. So Cisco at 1234. Okay. So I am added the enable password of the same. The username also same. So once we have added these information, I am just click to save this file. Save on the CSV format only. Okay. After creating this CSV Excel file, then we go to create our script. So I have already prepared the script here like this. So in this script we have added the code like import CSV, import OS, from the datetime import datetime, from the netmiko import connect header, create a backup folder if not exist, if not OS path exit backup, OS mark is backup with open device. So device format I am added capital D because I am my file name is capital D like this, device capital D. So I have added here in the code changes from small to capital. So same thing we have tried to print this information like Cisco iOS, username, password, secret and IP. Host name is IP here. So connection enable, run multiple commands. Okay, show version, show IP interface brief and show running configuration. These information we got the output after run the script, and these information we have received in the text file. We have added the code here, file name f backup and /IP and the time of the creating the script or insert the script and got the information. So same file we have received input in the text file, correct? So I'm just going to save, and once we have done this, I'm just go to the CMD okay, and in the CMD we need to go to the directory of the desktop. So because this file is running in the desktop, so I'm just go to the cd space desktop, enter. So I'm in the desktop and run this file name using the Python. So Python space devices. Okay, so let me check one thing also, we are using device or devices. So in this devices are correct, so no issue. So I'm just, once we have, okay, so wait a minute, before run this file we need to change the extension of this file, because we need to save this file as a py extension. So I'm just open it this again and save it with, okay, wait, there is no need to require to run this, because we have already created the devices.py, this one. So we are using the same extension. So devices.csv.py. So once we have run this file, because we got the information from here, this file, and run the script of this name, okay, and after that we got the text output in this backup folder. Okay, so I'm just trying to hit enter here, and let's see what happening. So just click and enter. Oh, it's showing the password error, something, connecting the device password. Okay, wait a minute, I'll just check the script. Password is correct, hostage is correct, secret is correct. Okay, okay, understood. So same issue as we have received the correct, so we need to done the file name is wrong, because we need to this file run via the script, correct? So we need to change it, or wait a minute, check again. So guys, we have got the error information in this. We got this error because the password. So I'm just checking my this file. I have wrongly typo mistake in secret, SECRET. This one is correct. So now I'm save again, and now run the command and check if it is working or not. So then again we got this error. Okay, so in this IP, I think we can add here, save, then run again. Password is also disconnect. Why this showing? Okay, so we received the error and we found something issue in this device.csv file. So I have created another new file, new text like this, new text.this. Okay, and run the same file in the Python format. So I'm just clicking here, cmd and cd.desktop and Python space new text.py. So once we have enter here, we got the output in the text file in the folder of backup like this. We have already created the same code. We have changed, run this here and enter. Now it's showing to connecting, it's success. success, and all 4 devices are connecting in success, and we got the output in the desktop, the backup folder in this. Okay, so you saw this. So version, ship, int brief, and like this. So all devices, all router information, we got this output with the CSV file, using the CSV file. Okay, so hope you are understand all the thing. So in this video we learn how to automate multiple devices using the CSV file. In the next video we will take this even further by improving our script with the logging and advanced automation technique. Make sure you can subscribe our channel for full series. Thank you so much for watching our video.